Are you struggling with how to use pandas to resample your data frame with different aggregation functions for different columns? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question that many data enthusiasts have. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you want to aggregate data in a specific way but feel stuck. Many users face this challenge when working with pandas, especially when they have multiple columns to manage. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it possible to specify different aggregation functions for different columns when using the resample method in Pandas? They want to sum one column, take the mean of another, and pick the last value for a third column. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to achieve that. So, what's the deal with resampling in Pandas? The resample method is great for downsampling time series data, but when you have multiple columns, it can get tricky. Understanding how to apply different aggregation functions to different columns will save you time and effort. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make your data manipulation tasks even easier. To achieve column-specific aggregation in a Pandas data frame, the user can utilize the resample method along with the aggregate function. First, they need to define the aggregation functions for each column in a dictionary format. Next, the user should apply the resample method to the data frame. They can specify the desired time frequency, such as every 3 seconds, and then pass the aggregation dictionary to the aggregate function. After applying the resample and aggregation, the user can check the resulting data frame. This will show the aggregated values based on the specified functions for each column. Finally, the user should ensure that their data frame has a date-time-like index, as this is required for the resample method to work correctly. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a powerful library that makes data manipulation a breeze. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using the agg function after resampling. They demonstrate this with a data frame containing 3 columns, X, Y, and Z. By applying the resample method with a 3-second frequency, they specify different aggregation functions for each column. Column X is summed, column Y is averaged, and column Z takes the last value. This method allows for efficient in-place aggregation without creating a new data frame. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your data frame after resampling to ensure the results are what you expect. It can save you from potential headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to use Pandas to resample your data frame with column-specific aggregation functions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data manipulation.